Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram conversations tidy or just want a fresh start in a particular chat, clearing your chat history is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to clear chat history on Telegram. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. The app icon is usually a blue paper plane, easy to spot on your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in, scroll through your chat list and tap on the conversation you want to clear. This could be a personal chat, a group, or even a channel. Remember, clearing the chat history will only affect the conversation you select, so there's no risk of deleting messages from other chats. Now that you've opened the chat, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. This is your menu button. Tap on these 3 dots to open the chat options. From the menu that appears, select Clear History. Telegram will usually ask you to confirm this action, just to make sure you really want to proceed. Depending on your version and settings, you might also see an option to clear history for both you and the other person, or just for yourself. Choose the option that fits your needs, then confirm your choice. And that's it. The chat history for that conversation is now gone. All previous messages will be removed from your view, giving you a clean slate in that chat window. This feature is especially useful if you want to protect your privacy, free up some storage space, or simply keep your Telegram organized. Just remember, once you clear the history, those messages can't be recovered, so double-check before you hit confirm. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Telegram experience. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.